Hi there, I'm Mary Ellen and this is my YouTube channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow. Here you can find over 1,000 DIY crafts, recipes, garden tips, family-friendly fun and travel, and cat shorts of my cats Cotton, Lucifer and Typo. Around here we ditch perfection and embrace the mess, because in life's messes we learn and grow. Most of my videos come with a side of spills, burnt fingers from the glue gun, and an occasional cat walking through the shot. Together we're always celebrating something, whether it's a holiday or just the fact that I got through a craft without glitter in my coffee. From festive DIY decor to seasonal treats, there's always a reason to break out the hot glue gun and have a little fun. And if you've got an instant pot or air fryer gathering dust, I'll help you to enjoy using them. I bring all of this to you with a light-hearted learn-as-you-go approach. So if you're into creative chaos, cozy vibes, and learning right alongside me, hit that subscribe button and let's make some messy memories together. If you're looking for a Halloween dessert that's equal parts spooky and sweet, chocolate cherry intestines are just the thing. This delightfully gross-looking treat combines soft golden crescent roll pastry filled with melted chocolate, all smothered in a bloody cherry sauce. It's easy to make, fun to shape, and guaranteed to get a few gasps and laughs when you bring it to the table. Perfect for Halloween parties, haunted house events, or a night of scary movies, this creepy creation turns simple ingredients into a show-stopping dessert that's frightfully tasty. Gather your ingredients. 2 cans refrigerated crescent roll dough, standard 8 ounces cans. 1 cup chocolate chips. 1 21 ounces, can cherry pie filling. How to make it. Preheat and prep. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Unroll and seal the dough. Open 1 can of crescent rolls and unroll the dough onto the parchment or work surface. Press along the perforated seams to seal them into one long rectangle. Use your fingers to smooth the seams so it will hold filling. Add chocolate. Make a single line of chocolate chips down the center of the sealed dough, about 1 cup for the 2 cans total. Use about half the chips per can. Leave about 1/2 to 1 inch of dough at each edge. Roll into a strip. Roll the dough over the chocolate chips to encase them, forming a long filled strip. Press the final seam to seal. Repeat steps 2 to 4 with the second can so you have 2 long chocolate-filled strips. Shape like intestines. Lay the 2 strips into your glass baking dish in a squiggly looping pattern that resembles intestines. Overlap slightly where you want them joined. Don't pack them too tightly, they'll puff a bit when baked. Bake. Place the dish in the preheated oven and bake 10 to 15 minutes, or until the tops are golden brown. Check it 10 minutes. Ovens vary. The chocolate inside will be hot when it first comes out. Blend the cherry filling. While the pastry bakes, pour the entire can of cherry pie filling into a blender or food processor and blend for a smooth blood-like glaze. Top with cherry guts. As soon as the pastry comes out of the oven, spoon and spread the blended cherry filling evenly over the entire dish so the intestines are drenched in cherry sauce. Set and serve. Let the dish sit about 15 minutes so the filling cools a bit and the pastry sets. Serve warm or at room temperature. Leftovers should be refrigerated. Chocolate cherry intestines are the perfect mix of creepy and delicious. A playful Halloween dessert that will make your guests squirm before they dig in. The warm, chocolate-filled pastry combined with the sweet tart bloody cherry topping creates a treat that's as fun to look at as it is to eat. Whether you're hosting a haunted house party, bringing a dish to a Halloween potluck, or just want to surprise your family with a spooky snack, this recipe is sure to be a frightful favorite. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.